Dear, today we are going to draw the flag of Spain here. As you know, it has three colors and the symbols here. Let's draw the symbols in the middle. Then we're going to draw the other colors. Okay. So it's the symbol of the crown. Okay. And we're just drawing the symbolic presentations of the crowns here. All right. And you can see the border outlines. Okay. All right, and the ribbon here, it has a red color. Okay, and these two remains like the same, white. Okay, now we're going to put the yellow color for the middle portion. Let's put the yellow color first. Then we're going to fill up the two colors on the two sides of the yellow color, which is going to be the red color. So we're going to do the red color first. Let's put the yellow color here. Okay, the coloring is going on and the things is getting better. All right, so we're trying to make the color as uniform as possible. After that one, we're going to put the red color on the two sides. Let's put the red color. Okay. And also we are putting the red color at the bottom. Okay, so this is the flag of Spain. I hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.